Pleasure to meet you. I'm Roy.
Nice to meet you.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Can I see your trophy? Oh, I love that. That's so cool. Okay, I'm ready when you are. What up, y'all? Welcome back to The Carpenter's Apprentice. Today we are here with, Madam, please introduce yourself.
Motayo Irewole.
Very good. So we're here at the award ceremony. Today you got an award for being a trailblazer. What trail have you blazed?
I guess I'm a people person. Even though I'm a very private person, I love people. I like to lead by example. When people see me, probably they love what I do. And yeah, I try to innovate. For instance, a lot of food, Nigerian food.
Oh, you know, that makes you real popular.
Yeah. you know, when people are here, they can't get their food to eat. So, you know, I make it because I love cooking. And people see it, please, can you make it? And so that I buy it. And I've been doing that a lot.
Well, I love that. You have a spirit, one of those spirits, a lot of charisma. You know, I'm just attracted to your energy. Have you got that throughout your life?
Yeah.
What do you think that is? Have you been able to condense that down to like, what is that makes you such a charismatic individual?
I think it's a gift from God.
Amen.
Because
That's
except
right.
you are given, I mean, I don't think being charismatic is something you can really learn.
Right.
So I think it's a gift from God and I appreciate it.
I have a question for you that I ask everybody else who comes on this program, but I'm very excited to hear what you have to say. What is one life lesson that you've learned in your life that folks at home can use in theirs?
One lesson I have learned is that everybody has something in them that is of value and that can help the other person. If only we can discover it and we are able to use that thing to help the next person, the world will be a very good place to live.
God bless you always, sister. Thank you very much for being on the program. For you folks at home, thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time.
Sean here with IAQ Experts, the indoor air quality specialists. You ever wake up with a dry mouth or feeling a little bit sluggish? You can be breathing mold spores coming from your air ducts. Call us today and we will make sure you wake up refreshed every morning by cleaning the unseen dust and mold built up in your home. Your family's health is important because the air you breathe today is your healthy state of mind for tomorrow.
IAQ, indoor air quality for you.